When job conditions result in unsightly grout haze, turn to AquaMix for the most effective grout haze removers. Residue can occur with almost any grout type and any tile type. It's a common concern with porous tile and textured or coated porcelain. Haze can occasionally persist after incomplete grout cleanup due to production schedules or weather conditions. Rather than relying on scrubbing alone, work smarter, not harder, with Custom's AquaMix family of problem-solving solutions. These products tackle haze from today's most common grout types, including cementitious grout and non-cementitious options like single-component, urethane, and epoxy grouts. Formulated to safely and effectively remove grout residue from tile and natural stone surfaces, AquaMix ensures that the beauty of the tile shines through. To remove haze following the installation of cement-based grouts, such as Polyblend, choose AquaMix Cement Grout Haze Remover. This easy-to-use organic acid treatment is also effective on most hard water or rust stains, efflorescence, lime deposits, and mortar residue. Use Cement Grout Haze Remover on cement grout, granite, slate, ceramic, porcelain, quarry tile, and more. Dilute the product for light haze or apply at full strength to remove heavier residue. Simply scrub the tile and then clean the surface with fresh water. Select AquaMix Non-Cement Grout Haze Remover to eliminate haze from single-component, pre-mixed, urethane, and light epoxy grouts, such as Fusion Pro, CEG, and Simple brand products. Non-cement grout haze remover can be used safely on most types of tile and natural stone. It's a non-acidic formula. Before starting, consult the technical data sheet for complete use details, including the correct dwell time based on the grout type. Once the product penetrates the haze, scrub the tile, avoiding the grout joints. Wipe, then rinse with clear water. To help prevent grout haze, apply AquaMix Grout Release before spreading grout, especially on porous or textured tiles. Count on the AquaMix line of problem solvers for your tile installation projects. For more information about preventing or removing grout haze, visit our website or give us a call.